Okay, so don't mind all the 100 tabs. To input, and this is a way you can check it. Obviously, I'm sure you did great on your paper or however you were doing it. And if you were already doing this, then that's awesome. I picked a W because I wanted to differentiate women versus men. You type in, it does have to be the box, not a curved parentheses. That button is right above your enter key. If you haven't seen those before, you should have. You're going to enter the data. You do not have to put it in order. You're just entering all the data all the way down the line. It does tell you at the bottom, you see where it says W equals 12 elements. That makes sure that you have all 12 of them in and that you do have 12 data pieces, as I've mentioned before. Bit of an issue if you lose one because everything's wrong. So then I put in the males here as well. You type in the word box plot, like literally just type it out, parentheses, and you pick which list. So if it's multiple lists, they have to have different letters. Exclude outliers, you can make it exclude outliers. I'm not really sure why you would do that regularly, especially not in our class. So it automatically has that clicked when it does it. So I unclicked it. I've cut them off as well, so you can't see them at the moment. But so our women's box plot, the minimum is going to be 64 and the maximum is going to be 77. I'm not wildly like, I don't love how they graph on top of each other. I need to do some more research on how to slide those around, but you can at least look at one, get rid of it, and look at men's. So box plot parentheses M, and that's using your second amount of data. If you were to add a number to it when you're comparing box plots by adding data or taking data away, you could easily do that here without a lot of time or investment or re-putting things into a calculator. And as far as I know, this is available when you take your EOC, if it happens to be calculator active. I kind of feel like it would have to, not have to be, but it is more likely that it will be. So just wanted to throw this out to you. I think at that rate, the answer was my C. And it is right. I don't know where the mistake was, but I wanted you to visually see that it was done. And also because you've done such a great job lately at just getting work done and you don't seem to struggle much, that this is another way to make your life even easier for box plots and such.